Hi, in this video I will discuss the use of the beacon in SensorConnect. The beacon is a broadcast from the base station to all nodes in a synchronized network in order to synchronize the time clock on the nodes. So, when using synchronized in a sampling network, all nodes in the network will periodically synchronize their time clocks to the beacon that is broadcasted by the WSDA gateway. Each beacon contains a UTC timestamp, allowing the nodes to timestamp their data within an accuracy of plus or minus 50 microseconds. An active beacon is indicated on the gateway by a blue LED that toggles once per second. In SensorConnect, when you enable the synchronized sampling within your network, the beacon will automatically be enabled upon launching the network. However, if you need to manually turn on or off the beacon on the gateway, there is a toggle available under the control panel of the base station. An example for why you may need to manually enable the beacon is if you have a node that is set to begin synchronized sampling on startup. When that node is powered on, it will wait to receive that beacon broadcast before it begins collecting sample data. So, in that example scenario, you would want to make sure to manually enable the beacon on the gateway prior to powering on the node. For more information, or if you have any questions, please reference the product user manual found on our website, or you can contact technical support by phone or email.